Okay, couture crafters, here is the big reveal. This first one that I'm showing you shows this album without any picture or suggestions or anything. This is just going through the album. Magnetic closure to the right, a bow, all the things. It looks like a little present in my mind anyway. When I design albums, guys, I'm designing albums not necessarily to showcase all the pictures that you've ever taken, but just a few pictures. That's the way I like to see albums presented to me. I don't want to see 1,000 pictures of your grandkids. I don't. I get bored very easily. I feel like a good album has 15 to 20 pictures in it with some beautiful paper, and that's enough. That's enough. You people out there who take 1,000 pictures, more power to you. However, I don't want to sit there and go through 1,000 pictures of anything. Your grandkids, your vacations, whatever. And there is the special part right there, hiding underneath, tucked away, a little box, so that this would be great to give to somebody for a present. So this is what it looks like coming out of the box. The box is decorated. You pull the album out, and that ribbon there is just to help you get the album out. It's a big one. It's 8 by 10, and it's thick. It's 2.5-inch spine, but it's not heavy at all. Here are some picture suggestions that I plopped in there. All of those are removable. And again, my trademark magnetic closure, gatefold open. Do not worry about tying that ribbon. It's just like tying your shoe. As you go further down in the stack, the flaps get just a little more interesting. That one right there was nice and simple. There's a pocket here on the top. And then you have a right-left flap, different sizes. Cute, cute. You have another pocket there. And then my favorite part, this part here is super interactive. And you just open it and then you pull and you get a reveal. Again, any place you see any blank paper, you can certainly put a picture there. These are just some suggestions on where to put pictures. Again, they're all removable. And then I have a little handle there to open the door to the drawer. Hope you all enjoyed this album. It goes together very, very quickly and it's super fun. I hope to see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks.